Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you launch Madden NFL 24 game on your Windows computer, and if you are receiving this error which says EA Anti-Cheat service encountered an error, please restart the game. And the error is 201058 something like that. So if you are receiving this error message whenever you launch Madden NFL 24 game on your Windows computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now, first of all, go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, if the game is installed from on Steam, I don't have the game on Steam. If you have the game on Steam, make a right click on NFL 24, manage, and then click on browse local files. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. In my case, the game is installed on EA apps, so you can click on manage over here and then view properties, and then you can click on browse. This will straight away take you to the game installation folder. Now open this installer folder and then open EA Anti-Cheat folder, and then make a right click on EA Anti-Cheat and then click on run as administrator, and then click on yes to allow. And then over here you have to select the game over here, and first of all try to update it. And wait for a couple of seconds. Now here you can see update complete, and then you can launch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can again select the Madden 24 and then click on repair. Please select the folder where the game is installed. So click on OK, and you can go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, select the game installation, open the installation folder, click on select, and let the repair complete and check. So you can see install success, and let's check. I think this is done. So once this is done, you can launch the game and then check. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, follow the rest of the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to relaunch the game. So close the game and launch the game once again and then check. Still you are facing the problem, then restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart, try launching the game. Still you are facing the problem, then enable secure boot in your system. So on your computer, you can go ahead and shut down your computer and then start your computer, and immediately you can keep on tapping the BIOS key. It may be F2, F10, F11. So for different brands there might be different BIOS key. So you have to shut down your computer, start your computer, and immediately keep on tapping BIOS key on the keyboard, and this will take you to the BIOS screen. On the BIOS screen you can go to secure boot option, you can go to the, and you have to enable the secure boot. You have to find secure boot and then you have to enable it. Now before you enable the secure boot, contact your system manufacturer, because if you make any changes, this may cause no boot issue. So you can enable the secure boot, and if you face any problem, you can contact your system manufacturer and then they can help you to enable the secure boot. Now you can also go to this Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here they have shown the steps how to enable the secure boot on your Windows 11 computer, and for different models, for different brands, Dell, Lenovo, HP, you can click on these links and it will let you know how to enable the secure boot on your computer. Now the next step is to reset factory keys in BIOS. Has worked for many players. So you have to go to the system BIOS once again and then reset the factory keys. You have to find reset factory keys option in the BIOS, and you might not see this option for every computer. In few computers you might see this option. So again you can contact your system manufacturer before you make any changes, as this may lead to no boot issue. Now for some computer models, not for every computer, go to system BIOS and find CSM, and then you have to disable it, save changes and exit, and then again load the BIOS again and enable the secure boot, save and exit, and then check. Now again, when you make changes, contact your system manufacturer and then do it. Now the next step is to run EA or Steam as an administrator. So if you have the game on EA app, you can type in EA app and then make a right click and then run EA app as an administrator, and then launch the game. Now similarly, if you have the game on Steam, you can make a right click on Steam app and then click on run as administrator and then launch the game. Now next step is to, if you have any other anti-cheat programs such as Faceit, so if you have any kind of other anti-cheat program installed on your computer, then you can uninstall it, and then after uninstall, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to close EA app. So if the EA app is running, you can close it. Now once you close EA app, then reinstall EA Anti-Cheat for NFL 24. Now for this, go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, go to the game installation folder. In my case, it's in different drive. So go to the game installation folder and then open the game folder, open installer folder, and over here you can see EA Anti-Cheat. Open this folder. Here you can see EA Anti-Cheat installer exe file. Make a right click and then click on run as administrator, and then click on yes to allow, and then from the drop down select Madden 24 and then click on uninstall. Now once the uninstall is done, now click on install once again. Now once the install is success, now you can launch the game. Now you can open EA app and then launch the game, or you can open Steam and then launch the game. And you have to launch the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. So for this, go to the game installation folder and then run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. So make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Now the next step is to close EA app once again. You can close it. Now once you close EA app, uninstall EA Anti-Cheat for NFL 24 once again. So again you have to open this installer folder, EA Anti-Cheat, make a right click, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then select NFL 24 and then click on uninstall, and do not install it this time. Do not click on uninstall. Let the do not click on install. Let the uninstall. Here you can see uninstall success. Now you can close this box and then open EA app. Now run EA app as an administrator. So type in EA app, make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Once you have the EA app running, now launch the game from the EA app. Now this time it will reinstall EA Anti-Cheat. It will reinstall EA Anti-Cheat and then it will launch the game. So you can see the game is launching now, so that should fix the error, but still you are facing the problem. Then the next step is to repair or verify the game file. So if you have the game on EA app, then go to EA app, click on the game and then click on manage and then click on repair. After the repair, launch the game. Similarly, if you have the game on Steam, I don't have the game on Steam, so I'm showing you with different games. So make a right click on NFL 24 and then select properties and then go to install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. After the verification, launch the game. Now the next step is to launch the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. So again, go to the game installation folder and then launch the game as an administrator. So make a right click on the game and then click on run as administrator. Now the next step is to allow the game exe file to antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game exe file to antivirus program. Now if you are using Windows security, allow the game exe file as well as EA app to your security. Now if you are using Windows security, then open Windows security. Now go to update and security if you have Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, click on privacy and security. In Windows 11, on the left hand side, you will find privacy and security. Click on it. In Windows 10, click on update and security. Now click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Now scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Now click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app. Now click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder once again and then open the game folder. Select the game exe file. Now click on add. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. You can include the trial one as well. And then again click on browse all apps, and this time go to this PC, C drive, program files, Electronic Arts, EA Desktop, and find the EA Desktop app and then click on open. Now launch the game. Similarly, you can also add it to the firewall. So type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel. Now click on system and security. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then click on change settings on the top. Click on allow another app, click on browse, and then select the game exe file. Now click on open, then click on add. In my case, I have already added, so click on add. Once it is added, now launch the game. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So if nothing is working, you can uninstall the game. Uninstall. EA app users can click on it, manage, and then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, go to the game installation folder and delete the game folder, and then restart your computer, and after the system restart, reinstall the game, and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error message, and you should be able to launch the game successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe.